I'm Lisa Brennan and I'm the Managing Director of Strategic Ambition, and I thought I would just spend a couple of minutes giving you a brief overview of what Strategic Ambitions is all about and what we do as a business, because I know that many of you will be aware of us from one service or another, but when we start to talk about other aspects of the business, people are usually surprised because that's not how they know us. And so Strategic Ambitions actually has 3 different divisions to it, and the first of those is Business Ambitions. Through Business Ambitions, we support different organisations with strategic HR projects, and that could be anything from setting your HR strategy to actually delivering some of those strategic HR projects. And those projects could be talent identification, talent development, change projects, organisational development. So whatever the priorities are for your organisation, we're here to help with that. The second part of the business is Career Ambitions. Through Career Ambitions, we support individuals who come to us directly for coaching support. And we tailor our packages to the individual and what they need. And many people come to us for different reasons, from they've been made redundant and they're looking to decide what's next for them, to they actually know they want a complete career change but they're not quite sure how to actually make that a reality. And so it's helping them to come up with the right way forward for them and to allow them to take the relevant actions. The last part of the business is Graduate Ambitions, and there's a number of different elements of Graduate Ambitions. The first of those is that we support students and graduates as they transition from university to the workplace. And we also support universities through the career service and committees and societies to support their members and their student body with attending talks and Q&As about career post-graduation to help with identifying key skills and workshops around about what employers' expectations might be. And we also support employers with all aspects of their early career strategy. So again, setting what that strategy might be, but then also helping them to design and deliver on their attraction campaigns, selection processes, and their development programs, whatever they may be. As well as that, we support with stakeholder education across all elements of that for employers. So that is just a bit of a whirlwind overview of everything that we do at Strategic Ambitions, and it's delivered through our team of associates that we draw upon for different expertise at different times, whether that is on the consultancy side or on the coaching side of the business. So if you have anything that you would like to reach out to us that you need support with, then please feel free to do that. But similarly, if you just want to know a bit more about us at Strategic Ambitions, get to know us a bit better, then also reach out. We're here. Details to get in contact with us are below, but you can also like, follow, subscribe to hear more information from us directly. Thanks.